Let's make 10 Swedish words, adverbs of time.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
So a few weeks ago I got a comment from Walter Valley Moore asking me to do adverbs in time, so here we go. And again I have my pair horse, as we say in Swedish, Ella Grundel.
Hi! I have quotes on this time. When is she coming over?
Nu, she's coming nu. But can you help me efteråt?
Sure I can. Have you nyligen visited the market?
No, I haven't. And the Nobel Prize for good writing goes to TheSwedishLad.
Äntligen! You really deserve it. I saw a film nyss.
I know, I was here. I send him letters dagligen.
But he can't read.
Oh.
Will I see you at the movies though?
I will be a little late. I met your mother häromdagen.
How was she?
I didn't ask.
Can you copy those files before the meeting?
I have redan done it. You come here, ögonblickligen.
I'm right here. I used to go to the pub förut.
But you don't drink.
I know.
I'm getting up omedelbart.
Well, it's about time. When are you coming here?
Snart. I'm coming snart. She forgot her gloves, so she's coming over igen.
I think she does that on purpose. Hey, get in here. It starts strax.
Yeah. Keep your pants on. I'm having a great day sedan you left.
Thanks for telling me. It alltid snows in the summer.
No, it doesn't. Hittills I haven't been to Peru.
Don't give up. You'll get there. Do you come here ofta?
Yes, I do. I've been waiting for you hela dagen.
I'm 1 minute late. I sällan get a call from the king.
No, that only happens to Heja Internet. Whoa, eternal! So, are you staying hela natten?
Yeah, if it's okay with you. I read the morning paper ibland.
I don't. I started working out i höstas.
I can tell. I will aldrig call you again.
Whatever. I got to know him i våras.
You should be so lucky. I can fortfarande hear the birds.
Okay. I went skiing for the first time i vintras.
Well, I would never.
It was much warmer i somras.
Well, duh. Can you help me with this thing first?
No, I have to do this first. I woke up early i morse.
So did I.
I'm going to make varje dag the best day.
Let's do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It alltid shows in the summer.
Alltid vad?
Snows.
Snows, alltid shows.